Hey YouTube, what's up? What's up? What's up? This is Nikki with Nikki Smacks. You guys haven't seen me in a while. I've been a little busy. So today I'm here on a special day, Mother's Day, eating my Sunday dinner. Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mothers out there, you single mothers, all you guys. Happy Mother's Day. Today I made some Sunday dinner. I made some ribs, some mac and cheese, some potato salad, some beans, a good old sweet roll. What else did I say? Oh, and some cabbage. So let's dig in. Lord, thank you for this food. We about to eat on this blessed Sunday. Mm. Oh, and I got me some mini made too. Go watch this good old Southern food down. Even though I ain't from the South, I'm from Cali, but I still know how to cook. Yes. Mmm. Minute Maid is so good. Yes. And I got me some good old H2O. Okay, let's dig in because I'm hungry and ain't ate all day and I've been waiting to do this with you guys. I miss you guys. You want to taste my mac and cheese? Bam! Come get the first bite. Boop. Mmm. 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 Oh, yes, it's so good. Today, mm, I did not put no sauce on my ribs because that red sauce be giving me heartburn. I didn't feel like dealing with that today. Huh? Mm, they're still juicy. Mm. This is some pork rib. Mm. I went to New Orleans last weekend and bought me some seasoning. Oh my god, this is so good. I wish I could taste this. It's so good. Mmm. 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 Sorry, not a big gristle. Mmm. 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 It's going. Mmm. I made these baked beans. And it's so good. Mmm. I could try this myself. Mm. Mmm. It's a wine bread sweet roll. So good. Mmm. I bought the season called Slap Your Mama. It's so good. It's spicy too. Mmm. Oh. Whew. Oh goodness. Mm. Anybody that can cook ribs without putting it on the grill, you're not a cook. Cause I cook mine in the oven. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. It's so spicy. So how have you guys been? My birthday was last week. So I was on town, just living it up. I've been so busy. I've been wanting to get on YouTube. And then I was so mad at myself because I was in New Orleans and I had some good food and I'm like, told myself, why you didn't do your mukbang? I'm like, oh wow. Mm. You know, I was beautiful. It was a girl trip. You know, some people scared to be on TV or video, whatever the hell this is. This ain't TV though. Mmm. So, ooh, spicy. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. Excuse me. Mm, mm, mm. I'm so mad that I only bought the travel sizes and them seasons from New Orleans. Cause I really hooked these ribs up with that seasoning. It's super good. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. So what y'all eating on this beautiful Sunday? Did you guys get to eat any home cooked food? Or you have to go buy some fast food? Well, if you did, it's no problem. tell you, these ribs. Mm. 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 My mouth is burning. I think I need some water. Because it's so spicy. Oh. Mm. Whew. Boy, 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 boy. Mm. Yeah, I know this hot food be getting my nose starting to run. Because it's spicy. I ain't eating nothing all day. To eat this for y'all. Listen, no, have you ever noticed when you don't eat all day, and then when you finally get to eat, you get super full. Like, for real, man. My eyes was bigger than my stomach. Mm. I'ma sit back after this. Whew, Netflix and chill on this beautiful Mother's Day. Mm. I'm gonna smoke me a blunt after this. And have me some wine. Mm. I missed you guys on 420. But when I tell you I've been super busy, I have not been on here. And when I looked at my thing and it said almost a month, I was like, oh my God, you're tripping. Let me get back on here and stuff my face for you guys. Plus, I have to get off a couple of pounds, you know, for my trip. So, whew. Boy, I was on Bourbon Street. When I tell you, everybody on there was super drunk. I was like, oh my God. My ass fit right in. Because I was drunk too. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I honestly cannot eat no more. Oh, excuse me. Mm. I will be doing videos more often. I'm not gonna take a little mini vacation like that no more. You know, I got some good ones. If y'all know anything y'all want me to do, give me some ideas. Cause, you know, excuse me, I'm new at this, so Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, I'm new at this. So I'm getting some ideas, some ideas. Somebody told me to drink some beer. I don't really drink beer like that, but every once in a while, I'm gonna get a taste of some beer. But I gotta have some tequila with it. You know what I mean? But I'm so full. I will see you guys next time. My nose feel like it's running because I didn't eat this spicy food. I need to go brush my teeth because I got these braces. And I will see you guys next time, YouTube. I'm not gonna take a long vacation like that anywhere, you know. So I'll see y'all. And happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy, eat y'all some good food. If I make me some dessert, I'll come back on here. But I don't know. I gotta have some room because where I'm at. What time is it? What time is it? I think it's like 6 o'clock where I'm at. So I gotta make room, get my time to digest, and if I come back, I might come back for some dessert. Anyway, YouTube, if you like this channel, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Boom, 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 boom. This is Nikki with Nikki Smacks coming at you with another video of me smacking and burping on some food. And if you don't like it, don't watch. Because that's why it's called Nikki Smack. You guys have a good one.